So we're going to use DriveWorksXpress to automate the design of a steel door. It's got an inner skin and outer skin, it's got a frame around it, it's got a window, it's got different lock options. Now obviously how this will change will change based on the overall height, the overall width, the opening width and height. Will drive the size of the window in the middle and the lock, and we've got an inner skin and an outer skin and various other components in it. So let's have a look at how we do that in DriveWorksXpress. So let's launch DriveWorksXpress and go straight to the Run Models part, hit Next, and we get the form that we created. We've got some rules in there saying these have to be within certain sizes, so let's start filling some numbers out, and you see that as we fill out the numbers and fill out the form, everything goes white to say yep, we're okay, and you'll see the next button's greyed out at the minute, so we can't actually proceed until we've got the right information in. So we'll pick a handle, pick a colour, let's go for blue. We'll just move this out of the way a little bit just so we can see the models because the resolution we're running at, and just hit Next. And it's going to start generating new models. So it's created a left door jamb, a right door jamb, the top jamb. Let's put that in an assembly and resized it for us. It's then created a wall so we can see what this looks like in a wall. It's moved on to the outer skin, it's redimensioned that, it's done a drawing for us and updated the drawing border information. It's now moved on to the inner skin, it's turned it blue, it's created it to be the right size, it's updated the drawing again, and again down on the right hand side the drawing border's updated. It's creating the window frame as a single component, it's doing the glass, it's putting that in an assembly, and it's just working its way up. So it's now doing the door assembly itself. So that's our finished door with the lock we chose. It's doing a drawing of that, an assembly drawing with the bill of materials up on the right hand side, and then it'll move on to the top level assembly with it showing in a wall to do a sort of a sales general arrangement drawing. It'll update that drawing. It's updated some of the information, the annotations on the drawing and the drawing border, and that's it. We're finished. So we've designed a brand new door with sheet metal components in it, all new file names based on rules, just by filling out a quick form. We get a report at the end telling us that everything was successful. All of these tasks with the green ticks are things that would otherwise have had to have been done manually. So let's create another. Let's pull up the last used values just to save a bit of time. Let's just change some of them to make it a slightly different size. We'll go for a tall but not very wide one this time, and we'll make it a bit thinner, the door. Let's put a different window height in. Let's go for quite a large one, and let's do that quite narrow. We'll go for the different handle, and let's go for a different colour. We'll go for red this time. Again, just move the form out of the way a little bit and hit Next. And again, we create a brand new door jamb. The left hand, the right hand, the top one. Create as a new frame assembly to put those in. Create as a new wall. You can see that it's a lot taller this time. Creating as a new door with a drawing. Updated the drawing border. Brand new documents that we're getting from it now, all based on the rules in DriveWorksXpress. It's created as a new inner skin. The inner skin has also got the drawing as it had before. It's updated the drawing border. Now move on to the window and the glass, which is much taller and narrower. It's done the frame again, all with unique file names. So now put that new frame, that new window in the door. New drawing, bill of materials up on the top right hand side. Updated the drawing borders again. Moved on to the top level assembly. Just moved the door into the right position, and then the general arrangement drawing of that sat inside the wall. And there we have it, that's finished. But DriveWorksXpress is so quick at creating all that information based on rules. Let's just do a third one. Let's just do something slightly different again. Again, just before we do, you can see all of the actual tasks that DriveWorksXpress has completed. So again, we're just going to fill out this form from scratch. We'll do it 2111 millimeters high. You can get DriveWorksXpress to work in whatever units your models are in, if you so choose. Let's go for quite a small window this time. Go for the lever handle again, and this time we'll go for green. Hit Next, sit back, and let DriveWorksXpress do its thing. It's creating the door jambs again. Putting that in an assembly. It's quite a wide door, this one. Updated the wall so we can see that on the general arrangement drawing. Again, now we've got the green outer skin with a very small cutout for the window. It's done the drawing for that, updated everything on the drawing. It's done the inner skin, all with unique file names. It's updated the drawing there again. And the borders. Very small window frame, very small piece of glass. Put that in an assembly. Put the window in the door assembly with the handle that we chose. Do a door assembly drawing. Again with the bill of materials, move up to the top level. Very wide green door. Do the general arrangement drawing of that again, with some annotations that have updated and the drawing border that's updated. And then back to the final assembly, leaving that open. And again we can see the report that it's created with all of those tasks that we would otherwise have manually had to have done. And if we just close that and just tile the windows now, we'll see we had the original file that we started with down in the bottom right hand corner, and then the 3 variations that we've created very, very quickly. And that's the results of using DriveWorksXpress to automate some designs. Thank you very much for your time.